What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So as we got the overall crypto market cap heading towards $2 trillion, y'all, we got a lot of speculation on assets like Shiba Inu. So shout out to Watcher Guru, shout out to the shibArmy, shout out to the Vegas Inu token community. Y'all, we got some things that we are working on. You will be hearing shortly. I think we will be doing a live stream today, so make sure you have notifications on. That way you can catch the following video. So here is when SHIB could reach that 0.003 level. So right now we're sitting at 4 zeros, around 1012, somewhere in that range. But they're basically saying, when can we expect to delete another zero from this range where we are sitting at and move up to that 3 level? So Shiba Inu is one of the most popular meme coins in the market. And also I want to say shout out to everybody that has just, started their investing journeys in the new year. Welcome to cryptocurrency. You'll be learning a lot on this channel. Don't feel bad about having to go back on some of the older videos to just get brought up to speed with things on Shiba Inu and just the overall markets as well. But I'm glad y'all joined us. So right now, the Doge rival has made significant gains since its launch in August 20. However, fans and investors await for SHIB to breach that 0.0003 level, which it has struggled to do. So SHIB is riding the spot Bitcoin ETF wave, rallying by over 6% in the daily charts. Moreover, the asset is up by 4% in the weekly charts and 4.5% over the previous month. SHIB's price has once again deleted a zero after its decimal, which it gained December last year. So according to Changelly, SHIB has a favorable sentiment among investors. That means just basically people are bullish. People believe in the near future, Shiba Inu will be going up in price. So the platform anticipates SHIB to breach that 0.000, so 4 zeros, 2 level sometime in 2025. However, Changelly does not expect SHIB to delete another zero after its decimal till at least 2029, 5 years from now. So basically saying, in the next year, this bull market is supposed to, right now, I feel we are already in the bull market. The bull, y'all been hearing me call out $1.75 trillion market cap. I think that's an early indication. Obviously, we have way earlier indication, but I think that's for the late party. I think that $1.75 trillion market cap is an early indication for them before the markets are back at all-time highs. Now, obviously, it's going to be a journey, throughout this time period. So it might take 2024, 2025. But I think, especially with a lot of people speculating that 2025 will be when we see the most momentum for the market, or when we see the market fully explode. But this year leading up to that time should be very, very exciting for those who have been invested, those who've been dollar cost averaging, and those who are doing their due diligence now. Also, don't forget, y'all, I got my course bundle, all 3 courses, my stock options trading course, my technical analysis course, and my crypto 101 course available right now. You can get them all 3 together for the price of one. This won't last forever, limited time offer, so make sure you take advantage of it ASAP if you're interested. You can email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Let's turn up with it. So according to Changelly, Shiba Inu could hit 3 zeros 17 in 2030 and 3 zeros 24 in 2031. Reaching 3 zeros 24 would translate to a growth of about 2,300% from current levels. So to that 3, so that's, what is that, 23x? So they're basically saying a 23x, basically $1 turning into $3, or $100 turning into $2,300. But imagine if you got $1,000 in, I think that's like 23,000. So, they're speculating a lot of gains, to be made during that time period. So it's still worth it. Obviously, it's not as much upside as, SHIB from the early years from 2020, 2021, but there's still a lot of upside for those who believe in the ecosystem, like the project, and, believe in the community. So according to the platform, SHIB could hit that 303 level sometime in 2032 with a maximum prediction of 3 zeros 38 for the year. If SHIB reaches 3 zeros 38, it would translate to a growth of about 3,700% from current price levels. Now remember, y'all, there's some money that you want to put to the side that you don't want to spend anyway. So no matter what this time frame is saying, don't look at it as if it's the worst thing in the world, because it's saying it's going to take a few years. And this isn't even a guarantee. This is just a speculation. It could happen a lot sooner, especially as crypto is more widespread and adopted, especially as we start to see more, regulation things lean in favor of crypto, just like the BTC ETF approvals. All these different things could go in the favor of crypto, really moving faster than a lot of people expected to. Also, remember, we got the Bitcoin halving coming up in about 3 months, y'all. So that's going to be another big time for the market as well. So if you're somebody right now who's seeing what's, the market might play some games, do not be fooled by it. We got more catalysts coming up that are even more exciting, and people are waiting for these catalysts. So you want to have time in the market versus trying to time the market. So it goes on to say, however, one of the most significant barriers to Shiba Inu's price is its supply. However, the SHIB team is working on a new burn mechanism rumored to burn trillions of tokens yearly. If fruitful, we may see a drastic decline in SHIB supply soon. In such a scenario, the asset's price may hit the 303 target sooner than anticipated. So I just want y'all to keep that in mind, that just because it says it's going to take, a certain amount of time, don't think that's exactly what it is. So let's see. Overall crypto market cap right now sitting at $1.76 trillion. Been a long time coming, waiting for this mark to get back at this point. We're right around the corner from that $2 trillion market cap. And then once we hit $2 trillion market cap, we're going to start seeing everybody talking about the crypto market going back to all-time highs again. That's just speculation, not financial advice, just what I think is going to take place. But we got Bitcoin right now at $42,686, down 7.24%. So this is a pullback day that we're seeing. We see prices break up, go to the upside, and then they start to pull back. But guess what? We're holding a $1.76 trillion market cap with a 73 on the fear and greed index. So take a look at that. Looking good right there. So let's see. Ethereum 2542. Sheesh. ETH pumping. We got BNB 296, down 5%. So BNB pulling back. Solana at 91.23, down 7% on the day. So that's pulling back. Remember what some of these prices were. This is how you make money for investors, those who don't want to speculate, those who don't want to try to trade, and be active investors where you have to constantly monitor what's going on in the markets. You buy the dip on your favorite assets. When you see them on discount, when you see them cheaper than the prices you already seen them at, that it's most likely a good time to buy. But really, we like to wait on a specific discount. Me personally, I like to see 10% at least. But in a market like this, you don't have to wait for a full 10%. You could just dollar cost average as you please, whether that's daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it may be. So BNB at 296, down 5%. Solana 91.21, XRP 57 cents. We got Cardano at 54 cents. AVAX at $35.49. Doge at 8 cents. DOT at 760. Tron at 10 cents. Matic at 86 cents. Link at 1407. Timecoin at 211. ICP at 1245. And then Shiba Inu just dipped back down to 509718. So it's pulling back nicely. So for those of y'all who are going to be complaining later on, saying, I wish, not really complaining, but just, wishing that you would have bought more when it was under that 5 zeros or 4 zeros, this is your opportunity, man. That's all we got for this one. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Make sure you smash the like button, and we are out.